Best Cowrywise Money Management Techniques for Couples. No more money fights, please. Here is how couples can use Cowrywise. Merge your lives, not necessarily all your money though. Cowrywise enables modern transparent coupling. 1. Use a 3-account system with a twist. Yours account, mine account, and ours account. The ours account is a joint Cowrywise savings plan for shared goals like rent and vacations. Both parents automatically contribute proportionally to their income. Number 2, use the dream building. Create a forever home or adventure fund wealth plan. Watching it grow together builds emotional connection and shared purpose. Lastly, use the weekly 5-minute finance dates. Open the app together every Sunday. Check progress, adjust plans, and celebrate milestones because transparency is key. Money harmony is possible. This week, sit down with your partner, open Cowrywise, and just set up one shared goal. It is the first step towards a stronger financial future. Share this with every couple you know. See you in the next one.